Well, First Alert meteorologist Trey Fulbright joins us, giving us the scoop for this possibly cloudy Saturday.
Yeah, at least for the first half of the day, looking very cloudy. And if you're fortunate enough, may see a little bit of clearing coming up later this afternoon. We'll talk about that here in just a second. First, want to give the students and staff at Knock Primary School a shout out. Had a great visit there yesterday afternoon with kindergarten and first grade and second and third grade. Two big groups of students. Talked all things about the atmosphere. Very enthusiastic and ready to learn. So we had a great time out there yesterday afternoon at Knock Primary School. This is what's going on this morning, though. We're still looking at a lot of low clouds in place. Even had a few showers, some areas of drizzle through the overnight hours. But this morning, just those low clouds remain prevalent across our area. This is just moisture that is trapped in place behind earlier the system that came through on Thursday. Eventually, this area of high pressure you see out near the Great Lakes will move off to the east, and that will bring in some drier air and also help to clear out the clouds as well, slowly but surely. It's going to be a very slow process. This model may be a little bit aggressive on the clearing this afternoon, but I think if you are south and east of Pittsburgh, you have a slightly better shot of seeing some clearing coming up later on today. More clouds off to the north and west. Temperatures will be held back into the low to mid 50s. Overnight, under mostly clear skies, we could see some patchy dense fog develop tomorrow morning. Temperatures will drop into the low to mid 30s. Here's a closer look at that fog potential tomorrow morning, especially north and northeast of Pittsburgh. Could have visibility under a quarter of a mile in spots, and that will be in place from just before daybreak through about mid-morning. And then as we work our way to the early afternoon, that fog will mix out. Sunday afternoon, mid and high level clouds move through. That'll give us filtered sunshine, and with a southwesterly wind in place, temperatures will work their way back into the upper 50s. There will be a weak boundary to drift in from the north Sunday night into Monday. There could be a shower with that, but moisture is fairly limited with that. Temperatures will start out in the mid to upper 40s on Monday morning before warming back into the 60s with some clearing Monday afternoon. That's about most of the clearing we're going to see for the week, because we have two storm systems on the way. This first one will be falling apart. It'll be weakening, but it will bring enhanced cloud cover with a few showers Tuesday afternoon. Temperatures will be fairly mild, but the next one is a much stronger upper level storm system. You see these black lines. These are height lines, and the more tightly packed these are, the stronger the system. Ahead of that, we could see a chance for showers and even thunderstorms coming up Wednesday afternoon and evening. And then as the cold air wraps in around that very strong area of low pressure, that could lead to a changeover to rain and snow. So here's a closer look at how this may evolve. There are your showers and storms in that warm sector Wednesday afternoon, and then the cold air wrapping in around that, leading over to a changeover to a rain and snow mix through the day on Thursday. So let's talk about this system a little bit more detail now. With that rain and snow potential, cold air is going to be a limiting factor, especially down near the surface. It will be cold enough aloft in the atmosphere to support snowflakes falling, but unless you're in the Laurel Highlands and near the lakes, that's where the better chance for accumulating snow will be. Outside of that, though, more likely going to see a rain and snow mix at the present moment. So the track may change, the timing may change. We still have a couple things to work out, but we'll be watching that as the week progresses. But there are the mild temperatures ahead of that system. A few showers coming up Tuesday afternoon, showers and storms on Wednesday, then falling temperatures toward the end of the upcoming week.